Then from here till there is what is diameter 64 from here till here. So after I've gotten that, I can now have this one faint, but I can have it dark now without fear or favor from here till there. Because the switch one is 32 from here till there, 32 millimeter, which is this one. 32 millimeter. Then I can go vertically down from here till down there, which is from here till down there. Which is this one. But then let me not draw it dark throughout the cut throughout the center, because you might find that there might be something there. So now let's see. We are having a bush of the length of 32 millimeter. This one from here till the 32, we said is corresponding with that one from here till the 32 millimeter. You understand? So the outside diameter of it from here till there is 30, so which correspond with that one. So indeed, item 6, it will be fitted there inside of item 2. So the outside diameter of it is 30, so we are going to say 30 divided by 2, we are getting 15. So this is my 15. It's my 15 millimeter. Then from there, you can just mark here and mark here. And this one, I'll draw it dark from here till here, and again from here to right there. So I don't know what is happening there. I think it was supposed to be, I think they were supposed to be in the same point. I am not quite sure that it might be a missing. I think they're supposed to be in the same point, like what happened here. You see down there, the bottom part of our item 1 with item 2. You understand? So now, by throwing these ones dark, I assume that my item 6 is already there. You understand? So now the inside diameter of item 6 is what is 12 millimeter. Is 22 millimeter. So 22 divided by 2 is giving us 11 millimeter. So I can open my drawing compass to 11 millimeter. 10, there is my 11 millimeter, isn't it? Where's the smaller one? Where's this one? Let's use this one. Yes, 11. So now I can come and place it here and mark here and mark there. Mark here and mark here. Why I'm not convinced, because from here till there has to be equal to this one. This seems to be smaller than the other one. So from here till there dark. From here till there dark again. So now I can have this one dark now from here till there, and I'm still scared to close it, understand, because I don't know, there might be something here. So this one is now, we can assume to say is item 6. You see how slow I am. I want to do this into order. So I was thinking that item 6, it will be rotating. So how can it rotate if this one is like, because it can, if this one is a follower, it won't rotate. So now the inside diameter of item 6 is what is diameter 22, which correspond with that one. You understand? So by drawing this one, it's good as if I'm saying I'm drawing item 2, and from here till here is 34, which is this one. So which means with that favor, I can extend this one just a little bit. Remember, we've done this one that is ending there. We've done this dimension of the shaft, and the shaft, we do not section the shaft, so this one, it will remain there, which is this one. So now we're going to say 18 millimeter divided by 2, you get 9, eh? So there is my 10, is my 9 millimeter. Then now I come mark here and mark there. Then I draw feint and feint like this. Then now this is item 5. Remember, this is item 6. This is item 4. I mean item 2. This is item 2. This is item 1. So you're going to see it clearly when we start to section. But now let's go. And the item 2 is not yet complete. It's not yet complete, because if we are completing item 2 like this, it will be good as if we are putting item 7 in order. So item 6 is already fitted there. So now let's put item 4 in item what? In item 5. 4 into 5. So from there till there is diameter 18, which is this one. So the length is 40. It's going to be 40. So it will be start from there till there 40. Let's do it. .40 is ending here. So which one was this one? If you remember very well, which one was this one? It was this 37. So it was actually talking about the thread. So let's remove it. So the 40 is ending here. So this is my 40 ending right here. So now this 40, if I put the center vertical, yeah, if I put the center, this 6 millimeter, it should be divided equally, and this 20, it will be divided equally. So let's get to the center of this wheel, vertical center of this wheel of ours. This is 40, this one. So the center, it will be 20. Then let's get the outside diameter of it. The outside diameter is what? Is 100. So I can easily do like this. 100 divided by 2 is 50. So I come and mark 0 here and mark 100 here. So now here we go, faint, and here we go, faint. Then from there I can have this one solid now from here till there. Even here, from here till there solid, from here till there solid, from here till here, from here till there. Right, so now we are given the inner diameter, which is diameter 80, so that we can get this. You see that from here till here it will automatically come out for itself. So 80 divided by 2, we are getting 40. So this is 40. So I can come and mark here and mark here. This is it. And this is it. So now is 6 millimeter divided by 2 is 3. So this is 4, this is 3, this is 0, 1, 2, 3 right here. So 5, 6 I mark here. So from here till there is 6. 5, 6. So I can easily take them vertically faint. Vertically faint. Solid there and solid there. Is which one? Is this one, from here till here, from here till here. Understand? So now we are going to divide this 20 as well into 2 20, which is 10. So I mark here and I mark there. Understand? So project them. There you go. There you go. So from here till here, dark, from here till here, dark, from here till here, dark, from here till here, dark. So I can have it dark here, so dark here, dark here, and dark here. So you see that what seems to be missing, it has came out for itself, by itself. So from here till a dark, and from here till a dark. So from here till a dark, dark. So this one, it will disappear, it will disappear. You don't even draw it, you don't even draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, you don't even draw them. So this, what was seems to be hidden, it will become dark now, clear. So there it is. And then let's look at what is left now. So now we can put the nut now. So the height of the nut, are we given? We are not given. So we know the height of the nut. The standard formula is 0.8 millimeter times m number. So but we have to draw the auxiliary first. the auxiliary of the nut. So to draw the auxiliary of the nut, you are going to say, so you see the nut is M18, so you're going to say 1.5 times, not divide, times 18 millimeter, so it's 27 millimeter, divide by 2, so you are going to open your drawing compass to 13.5 millimeter, like this. 13.5, this 12, 13 is between 0.5 is between 13 and 14. This is it. Then now here I can draw this faint line, faint circle. Where were I was placing my compass here, isn't it? Where were you placing your drawing compass? So now get to the vertical, center line. So now I want to, it's good as if I'm drawing across the flat hexagon. Strike an arc there, strike an arc there. Remember, you place it here, further extend to the center, isn't it? Strike an arc here, strike an arc here. So again this side, I strike an arc here, then I strike an arc here. Now I can have my ruler. I join this one from here till there, vertically. It will be parallel to this one from here till there, and this one, the center, to this point to the center. Again this side, center to this point to your center. So it's good as if we are drawing the across the flat hexagon. So from there we are going to take, let's see, is there any washer? There is a washer or something. There is no washer. So as much as there is no washer, which means without fear or favor, we can close that one. Yeah. Can close this one. Then we put the nut to the side. Put the nut by taking this point, faint. There you go. And this one I can erase it. Remember, this one was that shaft, isn't it? So since we are putting the nut, this one, it won't be there because we don't section the nut, isn't it? So there you go. There you go. This one was supposed to be in line with this. So this one, there you go. So I've got this point with this one with that one, this one with this one, this one with that one. So I can take your ruler, I join this one with this. There you go. Faint. Then I join this one with this. So there you go. You see that they are crossing at your center. So now I join this one with this. Yes, There you go. Across the center I stop. I join this one with this. So there you go. Faint. So now I can place my drawing compass at this point from here till here. Oh, remember, let me check. How did we go to this one with the height? Oh, with the height we're supposed to say 0.8. Why I've forgotten. 0.8 times M number, the height of the nut, times M16, 16, 16. So this thing of throwing it 90. So it's 12.3. It's 12.8. So you measure 13 millimeters. So